Hi everyone, I'm Deb. Today I'm going to make a cake based on the Entenmann's filled chocolate chip crumb cake. What is it filled with? Deliciousness. Entenmann's doesn't make this cake anymore, but a bunch of years ago I found this recipe online and I'm going to link to the recipe, but the lady has changed it and I luckily had printed out a copy of the original and I still make it that way. Today I'm actually going to try to replace my flour with a gluten-free flour blend, but you can feel free to just make it with the original flour. So my 13 subscribers should know I love all things mini.
36, I think.
36 subscribers?
I think so.
Husband said to me, hey, remember outside? Okay, let's go see what the ingredients are. My dry ingredients, my butter, my sugar, my chocolate chips, my milk and sour cream mixture, my egg, and my vanilla. When I make the full-size cake, I use my hand mixer, but for this mini cake, I just used a whisk and a spatula. I mixed the butter and sugar together, added the eggs and the vanilla. Then I mixed the dry ingredients alternately with the sour cream and milk. I mixed them just until it was incorporated, and then I folded in the chocolate chips. I MacGyvered my way into a 3.5-inch cake pan by using a biscuit cutter, some parchment paper, and some silicone muffin molds. Then I added my cake mixture to this tin. Then I started on my topping, which comes together really quickly. It's my flour, my melted butter, and my brown sugar. I mixed this all together until it was blended, and then I mixed in the chocolate chips. I sprinkled it on top of my cake in the MacGyvered cake pan. The cake went into the oven and I started on my buttercream. I mixed my butter and sugar together, then added the melted chocolate, vanilla, and espresso mixture until everything was smooth. I added a little bit of heavy cream, and then I whisked it until I had a fluffy buttercream. This was my second go at this cake this week. The first one I cooked for way too long. This one I cooked for 45 minutes at 350 and it came out perfect. Here's the first cake the other day. It still tasted pretty delicious, but it was way overcooked. You can see all the times I checked it and it seemed like it wasn't done. I cut it in half, and normally I would pipe the buttercream on in concentric circles, but this is so little, I just put it on with a spatula. I replace the top, and then I slather the whole thing in a bunch of delicious powdered sugar. Doesn't this look delicious? It's delicious. Bellissimo. Magnifique. C'est bon. Hey Jimmy, give me a pizza with nothing. It tastes just like the original. I don't think the gluten-free flour makes any difference at all. Boy, that was really delicious. My husband will never know I made a cake. Ask me any questions. I've made this so many times. Be happy to answer anything. I'll give you the link of the lady's recipe below. And stay safe, stay healthy, stay home, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. You probably think this is powdered sugar, but I just have a real bad dandruff problem. You probably think I'm a mess in the kitchen, but no, it's just my cocaine. Remember the anthrax scare?